Plait is easy. Keep one strip in the middle. Then we go left side in, and then we go right side in. We go again left side in, and then right side in. Left side in, right side in, left side in, right side in, left side in, right side in, and there is our plait. Roll the plait time and a half, and the second bit goes on top of the first one, so you get a two-tier bun. This goes into our baking tray. So to show you how to make the plait once more, cut into 3 strips, left side in, right side in, left side in, right side in, left side in, right side in, left side in, right side in. Tuck the edge together, roll it around with the flat bit inside, and turn it around. Take it to the top, and there it is ready. try a taste. It's gorgeous. Lovely texture, lovely taste. Hint of cardamom and lemon. If you want to make it more flavorsome with cardamom, you can add some more. I like it, just subtle cardamom flavor. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you very soon.